How to verify your email on Pocket option. Verifying your email on Pocket option is an important step because it helps secure your account and unlocks full access to the features. So here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open the Pocket option app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. After you're inside the home page of Pocket option, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon or your avatar, and in the expanded menu, click on Profile. Inside Profile section, select Profile once again, and if you haven't verified your email yet, you'll see this pop up over here. Click on Continue. Now, right next to email, you'll see this Resend option. Click on it, and now you'll receive a verification code sent to you on your email. Go ahead and open up your email service provider's inbox, open the same email that you've registered with Pocket option and click open the email from Pocket option that you received and click on Verify Email. Right after you do that, you'll be able to verify your email address in Pocket option. Now you can head back to your Pocket option app once the verification is done, and there you go. So there you have it. That's how you easily verify your email on Pocket option. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.